Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Pluto TV is one of the best free streaming platform out there. It gives you access to hundreds of live TV channels and an amazing on-demand tab where you can watch movies, series, reality shows, documentaries and more. No account or subscription needed, but there's one thing that ruins the fun. That is ad. They pop up too often, so here's a simple method to fix that. Today I'll show you how to reduce or even block those ads on Pluto TV by using a simple VPN trick. No modded apps or risky hacks, just a clean working methods. First, download a trusted VPN app. You can use Proton VPN or Turbo VPN. Anyone you like. Free versions works too. Now open the VPN and choose a US server. Here's a trick, make sure to set your location especially to California. In some California regions, Pluto TV servers, fewer or even no ads because of local content policies or testing zones. Once your VPN is connected, open Pluto TV and start watching. You